course I did.
But did you use mouthwash?
I don't see how this is relevant.
See this line, Jan? This is the line we put there last night.
Now, if you want to use this today, it would be below the line.
But I did use it.
Come on, girl. Who are you playing?
Do you see this? This hasn't moved at all. Not even a centimeter.
Not even a millimeter.
But I don't like the alcohol.
Oh, so she doesn't like the taste of the alcohol.
Alcohol. We doing shots. We doing shots. Get the shots going, girl. Drop it while it's shot. Drop it while it's shot. Woo! Yeah.
Okay. Now one for you, Michael.
Gracias, gracias.
And a second for me. And one for Janet.
We're gonna teach you how to drink today, Jan.
I'm only 12.
I had my own distillery when I was 12, child.
Jesus' blood was already wine when he was 12.
True.
Pick up your glass!
Pick it up for Jesus.
For Jesus.
Woo! Swallow.
You swallow. You swallow. Drink it down.
Okay.
Round 2. Yeah! Yeah.
Guys, I don't feel too.
Baby!
I remember my first shot. Can't hold her liquor worth shit.
I had my first shot in the womb.
That's what I'm saying, sis. Let's
Another
have
one?
another. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Why'd you go without me, sis?
That was my warm-up shot.
Oh, I got you.